Hi, all my scrapbooking friends. And if you're not scrapbooking, maybe this will inspire you. I'm here to share with you a ton of our new page layouts that were just introduced January 6th. We have so much to offer, and I've only did a few modifications to these page layouts. They are simply gorgeous. If you're just joining, my name is Rosemary Massaro. I am Craft with Ro. All the details to all of these scrapbook workshops will be in the link below. So let's keep going. Here is the exploring nature. In all these workshops, you're going to get 3 double page layouts. And as you can see here, we have some beautiful everyday adventure, perfect for those winter hikes, vacations, those spur of the moments, like let's just get lost type of thing. So all of these come with your everything that you need to create. And as you can see here, I've just added a few additional embellishments to each of the pages. And in some pages, I did some additional blending just to create a distressed look. But here is Living in the Moment. Love all these little accent pieces. So fun and easy to create and put your own little touch to them. The Great Outdoors, again, following up with that. We have some ink distressing, which I call, where I've just edged around the outside just to give it a little bit more depth and dimension. Here is our love story, our Valentine's Day. Love, love, love this. Because you know why? It's not necessarily Valentine's Day. For this one, my sweet little one, it could be for a niece, nephew, grandchild. Right? Beautiful colors. And on here, I added our little rhinestones right here. Just a nice little soft touch because we all want bling. And then our last 3 double page layout is the Love You page. And look at how cool they created a stitching look all the way around here, right? With some twine, added some additional bling right there. How cool is that? Beautiful. Our next one is called Currently Loving. This has been extremely popular. The paper and all of these workshops that I'm sharing with you, if you want to create your own design, it comes with their own paper pack and sticker sheet as well. But here is our Currently Loving. Put a little bit of Wink of Stella on there, a little sparkle. It's hard to see in these page layouts. But gorgeous, very simple on this particular one. Here again, some more distressed etching right around the edge of the main borders here, the die cuts. Here is our second page layout within this workshop. Again, some Wink of Stella just to give a little sparkle there. It's not really showing up. Obviously, some more distressed edging. And our last one, I believe this page, we changed it all up. So I think we just added an extra piece of cardstock in here, but I moved some images around here. Again, we have a little bit of that bling going on here, the distressed look, some accent pearls on here. And this is called the Currently Loving workshop. And the last but not least is our beach time. Who is ready for the beach, right? So this is using our frosted gems, and just love the fun colors that are in here. They have a great little, some brights, but complemented by those soft pastels. And page 2 in this layout. Now, again, if you haven't checked out the paper, they have some beautiful palm tree paper that's available with the sticker sheet. But this is the workshop, and this is layout number 2. Again, using those frosted gems on here just to add that clear summer fun day. And my last right here is Sun Let's Play. Again, all these papers, pattern papers, some of them are exclusive. They're not available, only in the workshop. Some of these stickers are only available in the workshop as well. So there you have all of the 4 different workshops that are available this month. They just launched on January 6th. They range from $36 a workshop, and I think one of them is $37 a workshop. Again, I will link all the product and their details right in this video below on the links. If you have any questions, always please feel free to reach out. Thanks for joining me. Happy scrapping.